Hey guys, good morning everybody, good afternoon, whenever you are watching this video. Till it to the top here, guys. I am starting a new um hairdo, and I just want to record it and the whole procedure, how it will go, and see how it's gonna turn out. I can do hair. I can say that hair do doing hair can be my profession. Every hair that you see on me, every style, braid, whatever, crochet, I do it by myself. By the way, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, because this channel is all about talking about what we can do, what we will do better, and make life easy for us. So thank you for watching this video. This is for my ladies. If you're a guy and you watch this and you want to watch me doing this, that's fine too. So I am going to start microlocs. I have done a whole research about it. It's kind of like locks, dreadlocks, but it's not. There's three types of locks. There's a sister locks, microlocs, and locks, like Rastafarian locks. And the thing is, Rastafarian locks is like hard. You just have to lock it in and make it lock. But the one that I'm doing, and sister locks and macro locks is almost the same. But this is a new thing that I've researched it, and I want to really do it so bad. So I just want to record this and the whole thing while I was doing it, and then also maybe you can look at it and see that maybe it can be a good fit for your hair, because my hair is not been natural for a couple of years and I cut my hair all the time. So this time I just want to do microlocs and see what will be the outcome. It's locked. You can go back, but it will take you time to open it up. But my plan is not to go back like this anymore. Just lock it and retie it when the bottom is growing. So this is what I'm doing. So I watch a lot of videos. I watch a lot of people doing it themselves. Some people will go to a hairdresser to do they call them loctician or something like that, to do it for them. It costs like $600. Some cost $500, and it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. I will insert pictures in it. But I know what I can do. Your sister, I make it work. So I am going to attempt to do it myself. So I needed a three-way, what do you call it? A three-way mirror. So I'll show you the mirror that I bought from Amazon to do my procedure. So hold on a second, I'll show it to you. Hey guys, so this is the oil that I put in my hair. I was losing my hair so bad and I keep on complaining. So my husband was at work, and one of his female friends is Black American, and this is the oil that she uses. And ever since I've been, and so my husband ordered it for me. Ever since I've been using this. It's really, really good. It's made by Black American and it's good. So this is the name of it. If you're losing your hair, or if your hair is dry and it's always shedding, is it shedding or whatever, shed? Yeah, you can use this. Okay, all right. I love to share, so I'm always sharing my whatever. So thank you. All right. So one side, this is one side. This is 2 and 3. So three-way. Okay, and it has a hook that you can hang it. You can hang it on the wall. This is the hook. So I'm gonna hang it for you guys to see. Okay, yeah, we will see. That's how it look like. 1, the middle, 2, and 3. So I want to see how. Let me see. So, like I said, this is my what do you call it? My sessions to do the macro braiding. I don't know, but I did what I can. I did my best. So this is how it look like. I think it's about 14 sessions. So yeah, I hope the camera is taking it right. So 14 sessions, and I'm gonna start right now. Yeah, this is the back. Yeah, and this is the sideways. Yeah, I'm gonna start. It's not gonna be easy, but I'll do it. All right, as soon as I finish this one, I'm gonna count it and write it down and see how many pieces of braids I'm going to do. So I'll show you what I've been using, what the tools that I use. I have pins in my hair. I divided and I put pins because my hair is not long enough, sorry, to do about 2 or whatever, so sessions. And this is the tools that I use. Tail comb. Believe it or not, this thing, I ordered it on Etsy, and the person who was selling it is a Ghanaian. So I didn't know if it was coming from Ghana or here, but it came from New Jersey. So I specifically spent my money with that person. I bought it from a Ghanaian. That's what it says, and even the number shows that. This is a clip that I'm gonna use to hold it, and this is lock cream gel. Yeah, so this is the 4 things that I'm going to use. 1, 2, 3. Oh, by the way, let me take this out. The pin, the lock pin. This is it. All right, so let's go. You see me next time. 1 line, 1 bounty will be finished. All right. So small.
Okay, so this is Matilda's here, and she's pulling out that little part. And see, now I'm going around to the back. So this is it up close and personal. And now this is it out. Okay, as you come to this side,
It's microlocs.
she said it's her microlocs, but look into the roots.
Yeah.
You can see it's getting white, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so come around to the front, and she's laughing,
Yes.
but we don't care. That is all done.
All right.
Okay, cool.